I did not have any problem the way you're assisting us, me.
Yeah.
So I'm really glad, madam, that I went to your agency, madam.
And hello everyone, my name is Rita and welcome to all of you for North American Services Center channel. Today in our office we are welcoming one more successful applicant, Miss Rona Saldana. She's from Philippines. Today she came to our office with very good news, exciting news. Her Polish national visa has been approved by Poland Embassy in Abu Dhabi. Today we have exciting news. We are very happy to meet her. Congratulations to you, Miss Rona, with your success. I know it was not long journey, it was a short journey. You received your work permit very fast and we got your appointment right also on time, and you had no any difficulties in receiving visas. And today you're very happy, smiling, came to our office to share your good news with all our followers and people who's currently watching this video. First of all, congratulations from all of our office with your great result. I'm sure this visa will bring you a lot of success, more opportunities, good job in Europe, and very good life. And I would like first to ask you to share with everyone what do you do here in UAE, how long you living in UAE, and what's your job, and why you decided to change your life and apply for immigration to Poland.
So it's been 6 years, madam, that I'm staying here in UAE, and I'm working as a laser technician in Abu Dhabi. So, well, I see some friends, madam, that they are transferring to Europe, so I was like, I also wanted to try. Because they're doing well in Europe,
of
madam.
Course.
And then through internet, madam, I check on your page in Instagram and YouTube. So that's when I finally decided that I will go for it.
You saw a lot of videos of our
like
clients.
the video testimony. And then as per my experience, madam, I did not have any problem the way you're assisting us, me. So I'm really glad, madam, that I went to your agency, madam.
And as you said, you found us online, and then immediately you decided to apply, or after some time?
After some time, madam, I decided, like it took me like 3 to 6 months, madam, to finally finally decide to apply.
It's very important, a very important decision to change your life, and some people need some time. Then you received your work permit within 5 months, you said?
Yes, very fast.
You were happy to receive in such short time your copy?
Because I'm expecting at least a little bit longer, but I was really surprised that I received it early. And then you collected your work permit, we start your visa appointment, you received your appointment. How was your also reaction when you got news updates for us that you have appointment in Abu Dhabi? I was really happy and I was really excited, madam, because I waited like, oh, this is the thing that I wanted. So it's coming slowly, and then with your help, madam, with the help of your staff, they are really doing well, madam.
They assisted you in your application for the visa, right?
Everything, madam.
How it happened, like they saw the documents that you'll be applying, they prepared the file, right?
Madam, the Miss Amanda was able to assist me to check on the documents before I went to the Poland Embassy in Abu Dhabi. So it was really well prepared, madam. I just hand over the documents and easy breezy, madam.
They didn't ask you anything. They said to wait.
Yes, madam. But before that, madam, Miss Amanda was able to discuss to me, just if ever they will ask, just in case if they will ask something.
That's how you have to reply.
Yes, madam.
Great. And then after 2 weeks they inform you to come to collect your passport. You still didn't know you have your visa or not.
Yes, madam.
What did you feel?
I was nervous, madam, because the chances will be always there, like the rejection and the approval is like sometimes 50-50. So I was, madam, praying that everything will be okay, and then I will be able to receive it. And
then you came to the counter and they hand over your passport. You saw your visa.
Yes, madam. I was really happy. My smile up to here.
Of course, I can imagine. Definitely, this visa, as I said, in life in Europe will change a lot in you and life of your family. You have a good job. You have been provided a work from very good company.
Thank you so
They're
much.
very famous. They're very big. They have a lot of work and a lot of projects. A lot of people from Philippines already working there, so you can be friends. You can work together. You can live together. And definitely the salary also in Europe comparably good, and you can grow as well inside the company. It's up to you to show yourself, to show your personality, to prove to the company that you deserve promotion, you deserve increase, and then after some time, of course, you also can get higher salary,
I'm
better
really
position.
looking forward to
You're
that,
still
madam.
young, so you have time,
Thank you
to
so
work
much, madam. Thank you
and
so
to
much.
show yourself. Just maybe it also will be advantage if you can start learning Polish language.
I will.
Yeah.
I will, madam.
Yeah, because then if you know at least basic or average level, then you can work in office, you can work some assistant management work, supervising work. Yeah, and then the salary of course also will be higher. So you need to start
Yes, madam.
step by step.
I will do that, madam.
And then once also now you have a visa for 1 year. It's a work visa for 365 days, multiple entry. With this visa you can travel to other European countries and then come back to Poland. You can take weekends, vacation, couple of days, go to Italy, go to Norway, go to France, Spain,
Wow,
Portugal, any country. You know, the tickets in Europe between the countries very cheap, just $10, $15 or euros to go to Portugal or Spain, and you can just take a chance, 2 hours flight, 1 hour flight, go to other country, visit on weekends and then come back. It's multiple entry visa. Yeah.
I'm really glad to hear that, madam.
And it's 1 year. So then once your visa will be about to expire in next year, 2024, your company already will apply for residency for you. You will just need to submit your passport, your photo, and they will be within 1 month getting residency card for you. It's called Karta Pobytu. It's for 2 or 3 years. Will be allowing you to reside, to continue work, and of course to travel as well. Yeah, and you're under labor law as well. All the labor law applicable on you in terms of the vacation, maternity leave, anything. Definitely, company also will be in touch with you and discuss these details once you arrive. Yeah,
I'm getting more excited, madam.
yeah. In general, how's your feedback about our company? You're happy that day last year you make this choice and selected NASC as your company to help you with your process?
Yeah, madam, I'm really glad that I made the right decision. I can say that I made the right decision to come to your agency because really, madam, like if I have questions, then they are responding to that. And if I have queries and if I need to come, they are really preparing for that, madam. And I highly recommend, madam, your agency.
Yeah. Thank you so much, and I know you already forwarded some of your friends.
Yes,
they also they received the work permit already.
I will refer more, madam.
More, thank you so much.
I promise you.
Yeah, of course. Now you can trust us definitely, not 100%, 1,000,000%. You can trust us, and probably as per your experience, there is no better place to refer your friends or relatives than NASC. Thank you so much for coming today. Again, congratulations from everyone. And I would like also to tell to everyone, if you're inspired by story of Rona, who is from Philippines, if you are also from Philippines or from any other country and you wish to immigrate to Europe or like Rona to Poland, you can simply contact our office. You can just fill up the assessment form under this video. You can contact our office directly also by visiting us, and our immigration consultant will definitely advise you what's the best program for you, what's the best country, and will advise you as well how to start your application. Until then, let's congratulate Miss Rona under this video in the comments. Let's like this video if you're happy for her to receive also this visa today. And until then, stay tuned and I'll see you soon. Hi everyone, welcome to North American Services Center channel, and thanks all of you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and press the bell button to know and be notified about recent uploads of North American Services Center. Thank you.